Welcome to the fifth episode of my tutorial series. Today, I'll be expanding on the tools of edit mode. To select all of the vertices of an object, press A. This also works with objects outside of edit mode. To select an entire loop, hold left Alt and click left mouse button on the loop. To extrude selected vertices, press E. To create a face between selected vertices, press F. To cut up an object over your desired path, press K to enable the knife tool. After you're done cutting up the object, press Enter to confirm changes. To delete selected vertices, edges or faces, press Delete. The difference between dissolving and deleting vertices is that dissolving will try to create new faces, while deleting might create holes, showcasing the inside of the object. Because of that, dissolving is better in cases where you want to get rid of a surplus of vertices without changing the object, like this. Beveling allows you to turn a single edge into two edges, making them less sharp.